This is On Tilt Trading, and this is the live crypto market analysis and Bitcoin trade strategy. We're coming into the close here. Got two positions on Bitcoin currently. One in OTE, and the other one is my moving average crossover. Let's put up this Fibonacci retracement tool here. So for top-down analysis here, let's look at the daily. So on the daily here, we've got the 9, which is this yellow line here is the 9 EMA, and this white line is the 18 EMA. So currently with the 9 trading above the 18, the daily would be bullish price action here, or price being delivered overall to the buy side. And then you can see this pullback here to the 9 EMA from this price action here, with price being delivered to the buy side here. Seeing that pullback to the 9, and also with this area here, this strong reaction off of this lower level here, putting in this wick, and then following up with this large closed candle here to the buy side. Then if we come over here to the 4-hour, this is covering the optimal trade entry trade. Here on the 4-hour, this Fibonacci retracement has, I just have it set up for my day trading setup here on the 5-minute. But here, I'm assuming this is somewhere definitely within the 62% to 79% range where you get this pullback here. I took a late entry up here. Actually, the first entry I took was during the open this morning. I did on this morning's live. I closed that position. That position had a stop here. When I entered this position here, I entered with a stop below this candle here. So that's an update on that position, and was able to get a little better risk to reward after watching this setup here. And then a look at that trade as far as in targets, that's going to be this 2372 trade here. So this is my stop. You can see my stop just below here. So the low of this candle is 106,686.4, and my stop is 106,686.2, and take profit is 110,643.9, which is the high of this candle here. So taking profits on this is a sweep on liquidity up here. There'll be buy side liquidity up here. So when these sell positions come back up, they'll get triggered here for the squeeze. And then the other position is off of the 5-minute chart from my day trading chart here. So with both the daily 9 being above the EMA and the 4-hour 9 being above the EMA, waiting for that to be in sync on the 5-minute chart. This price action here fails, but this would have been an earlier trade. I was actually looking at the 15-minute chart this morning, so I didn't see this here. This price action, which I would have been stopped out on, was stopped out on the 60-minute chart this morning actually. And then you can see price sell off here, and then we get this price action that is contained within this Fibonacci retracement tool here. So this price action here brought a moving average crossover here on the 5-minute. So with that being in place, I set the Fibonacci retracement tool. My goal would have been to enter here ideally in this area but I did not because I was still looking at the 15-minute chart. And then I decided to switch to the 5-minute chart to see if there were any advantages to trading off of the 5-minute. So when I saw it, we were right here in this area. So since price action had already reached the 9 EMA here, I went on and took an entry in case price was not going back to the 9 EMA or may not go back for some time. You can see a little bit of consolidation here, then another leg up, and then you can see price being delivered to the sell side here. A little consolidation here in this area, and now price back being delivered to the buy side with currently with a moving average crossover right here, and now pulling back to the EMAs. And if price action can continue, I would imagine a sweep on liquidity above these areas. So there's going to be buy side liquidity above anyone who went short in these areas, and I would imagine my trade idea is based on institutions sweeping that liquidity. And then for a target will be easier to show on the 4-hour. So target's up here. So my stop is down here at the lower end of the range here. So a little over a 1-to-1 on this trade. Here. So target will be, or take profit, is liquidity right here. Actually, I'm likely going to adjust my take profit here. I just calculate my take profit based on, actually I'm going to leave it. I base my take profits off of the Fibonacci range and take profits at 190% of the range. So that's what I'm currently set for. If you see the Fibonacci settings, you see the equilibrium, which I use to set at the high or low of whatever price action that creates the moving average crossover, and the stop, wherever that is, then that'll be back here. And then I get the extension. If I flip this, then I get the 90% extension to where I'm going, but I can also just do it just based on math. So right now, just sitting through pullback here from this most recent moving average crossover. Slightly in the green here, about almost a what is it? $5 risk. There's a $5 risk on this trade here, and for the trade down here on the 4-hour chart, there's about a $3 risk on this trade. So keeping trades small as I'm working the ins and outs of this new system that I'm putting into place, which is why I was switching through charts. Actually, this morning I started with 4 charts, with the daily, the 4-hour, the 60-minute, and the 15-minute, but finding that I am essentially seeing the same thing on all those charts. It's just a matter of how much detail or the lack thereof of detail. So looking at the 5-minute definitely gives better detail into what's going on. The moving average crossover is going to be more sensitive, but I don't mind that so much right now. It seems that the 15-minute based on the 5-minute, the 5-minute can lend to more stopping out, but but also leads to being able to enter positions that are just not possible to enter on the 15-minute chart. So all things considered, best probabilities for entries being here off of the 5-minute. I would still like a better entry than the 9 EMA, but for consistency, I don't know if it would be possible. I'm going to have to do more back testing. So price consolidating here on Bitcoin at 107,420. Now near the 107,400 level. So with this 5-minute chart, definitely seeing more price action, but I'm not sure if that's a good thing or not, but at least my ranges are still lining up. So that's the most important thing. Also, being able to have more sensitive moving averages. So pros and cons to that. But if probabilities are in your favor, then it's worth it. So right now my goal is for the next couple of weeks, test out at least 20 trades to see what the probabilities are, and if I'm at somewhere around 50% or so, then I'm likely just to stick to what I'm doing here. Then it would just be a matter of scaling, but that's essentially what I'm looking for now. I'm taking a trade Saturday off of the 60-minute that panned out, and price action was, or at least the chart was in sync with the daily and the 4-hour. So I'm really trying to stick with the 4-hour because in order for the daily to change, the 4-hour is going to have to shift or have a moving average crossover. So with that in mind, just trading essentially with the 4-hour, but ideally with the 4-hour and the daily. So just understanding that there would be the potential, or there's likely to be transitional period between the 4-hour moving average crossover leading to the daily moving average crossover. But things have been going pretty slow today, so I imagine this trade, if it does work out, will take some time with these trades. But with that in mind, I'll sign off here into the close. But this has been On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and Bitcoin trading strategy.